Welcome. In this video, I want to show you how you can make an animated GIF, sort of like this one or this one. And you can get as creative as you want and detailed as you want and do so much more. All right, so those are my two examples to show you. And now let me show you how I did that. All right, it's using PicFont, picfont.com. Great website for making these, okay? All right, so on your main screen, I'm going to go right into create a picture. And it's just giving me a box, general 600 by 400 pixels. I'm just going to leave it like that. I'm going to close out this example. And let's say I'm going to click on this text box. And I did one that said, welcome to 6th grade. Let's do one that says, welcome to CHS. All right, I like that. I'm going to use that one. And I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. And I'm going to change the colors to something I like, maybe that. And for the shadow, let's go with, oh, I got to click this first. Let's try shadow extra large. And it's got the yellow. Let's do a background change. I'm going to change the background to maybe this, I like that color blue, darker blue, but not black. All right, choose, and yes, okay. And this one was going to be welcome. And now the next word is going to be to. Playing around with this, I found clip art. And in the clip art, I found, I believe it was under sticker. Yeah, that had words and stuff. So let's try welcome to. All right, there's to. All right, it's going to put it in right there. I'm going to shrink it a little bit. And let's get another bright color for the word to. How about red? That clashes with that pink. Let's try something else. How about green or seafoam green? And I'm going to give it a glow strong. And you can see that glow is in black. Let's change it to something that would complement that seafoam green. How about an orangish color? And choose. There it is. You can see it. It's all right. Welcome to. And let's do, well, of course, I'm not going to find CHS, so I'm going to go back to text. And let's find something else fancy smancy. How about this one? All right, postcard. And we want it to say CHS. And we want it bigger. Bigger. Welcome to CHS. Let's move that over. Let's make this even larger. All right, that's cool. Okay, so from there, I've got my, okay, wait a minute. I'm going to keep that pretty bright yellow. Let's change the black to something we can see. I just want this really colorful, so I'm going to pick something bright. Choose. All right, there it is. Okay, so to make it a GIF, I want it to do something. So for this case, I'm going to click on GIF, and it's going to let me take, right here it says max is 1000 by 1000 pixels for every instant and a total of 5 instants max. So what it is it's going to let me, when I hit save, it says there you go, there's my first instant, okay? I can do 5 of these. And then when I finish with the 5, they all need to be different, doing some kind of movement or changing colors or something in order for you to see something happening. Then I can choose between slow, medium, and fast for the GIF movement, okay? So I've got my first instant. Now I'm going to change, let's say I want to change the colors here. So I'm going to just pick something for that, green, and something else, let's see, that color, okay? And here, going to do the same thing. Let's choose something crazy different, that, and a different color for the background. How about a bright yellow? Bright yellow, come on. Maybe gradient, no. Shadow thinner. Let's do shadow extra large so you can see it. There you go. All right, now for CHS, let's change the color again. Let's do, how about that dark purple, and let's do something else that's going to show up. How about something like that? Choose. There it is, okay? Now, I changed the color. Maybe I want to change the movement as well. So I'm going to go to the first word, welcome. I'm going to come down here to rotate. I'm going to rotate it to, let's say, I'm going to do 10 degrees. All right, there's 10 degrees. I'm going to take this word to. I'm going to rotate that to, let's try negative 10 degrees. All right, and I'm going to take this one and do positive 10 degrees. And there we go. And now I'm going to click save. And I've got my second frame for this GIF that I'm creating, okay? Now I'm ready to work on my third frame. So, all right, so we started off with 0 degrees for the words in this first frame. Then we changed the degrees, we rotated them a little bit, back to 0, and rotate it again, okay? So if I go right here and change it back to 0, and then it loops again, we would have 2 loops where they are at both 0 degrees. So instead of going to my maximum of 5 frames, I'm going to leave it at 4 frames, if that makes sense, so that when it loops, we'll have 0 degrees, rotated, 0 degrees, rotated, back to the beginning, which was 0 degrees, okay? All right, so now we can compile our instance. We can choose slow, medium, or fast. I think fast looks best. I'll show it to you. I'm going to hit fast. It's going to ask me compile. Okay. And here it is. Cool. Looks good. All right. If you want to see back, we can go back and look at slow. Compile. Yep. Slow is way too slow. Okay. Back. Let's go back and do fast again. All right. Okay. Fast. And save it. All right, there it is. I'm going to show in folder. It's in my downloads folder. I'm going to rename it. Welcome to CHS and GIF. And I'm going to, put it on my desktop so I can find it. And let's check it out. Open it up. There it is. Awesome. All right, so you can use this to insert right into your web page or wherever you want to. You can insert it just like you would a photograph. All right, hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Another quick video on making a GIF. I started off with some text, "You are amazing." This time I want to change my size to, let's make this, keep it at 600. Turn off the ratio. 600 is plenty long. Let's do like 200. Oops. Number lock. 200. 200. Resize. Okay. And let's make it bigger. Oops, too big. Okay, I'm going to center it. And the fun part, finding text that I like. Font preview allows you to see what you're picking from. Okay, so let's go, let's see what that looks like. Nah, that's better. I like that one. All right, I'm gonna make it a little teeny bit bigger. Nope, too big. All right, center it. And, all right, whoops. Okay, I did that so I could see this better. Text color, let's change the text color. Let's make it bright pink. Uh-oh, it changed my font. Let's go back in and font preview. Sounds cute. Nah, I like that. Okay, that's cute. All right, let's make it a little bit smaller so it can fit on one line. Put it right there. And I'm going to change the background to dark black. Yes. All right, now click that to close it. Now let's go right here, select it, and let's make it pop. Let's see what that does. Ooh, that's neat. Okay, that doesn't allow you to pick a second color. Let's look at what else there is. Background, transparency. Nah. No, let's not do that. Outline and glow. That's cute. Let's make our other color maybe that. Okay, you can barely see the pink now, but that's okay. Let's leave it like that. And I'm going to make it a GIF. I'm going to do my first save. And now let's go change this to something else. All right, there's our 5. Let's go to fast. And okay. Ooh, pretty. Okay, I like it. Save GIF. There we go. I'm going to open it in a new showing folder. And I'm going to name it You Are Amazing. Enter. And I'm going to put it on my desktop so I can find it. And now we can look at it full screen. Very cute. All right, hope you enjoyed.